What you call me?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do some eyebrows. So first things first, get you some edge control and get you your edge brush and start by brushing your eyebrows. And I know y'all probably thinking like, why am I using edge control? Only because it keeps your eyebrows in place throughout the whole day, and I promise you, you won't regret it. The TikTok girlies put me on, and I've been doing it ever since, and my eyebrows been flawless every time. Now I'm getting my Anastasia, I think I'm pronouncing it right, dip pomade. And you can either use a pencil or a dip pomade. And I'm using this little like flat brush, small flat brush to outline my eyebrows. So right now I'm just outlining it the way my natural eyebrow is shaped. I'm just doing the same shape. Some people do it a different shape, but I'm just doing it the way my natural eyebrow is. Now I'm just filling it in to my liking. Some people make it light, some people like it dark. Now I'm taking my spoolie and just brushing it against my eyebrows because now we're just going to blend the product out. So whether you're using a pencil or dip brow, you still want to do this part. You just want to blend it out just to make it look smooth. Next thing you're going to grab is your concealer. I'm using a Pro Conceal. You can use any concealer you want. But I'm using Pro Conceal because this is the best concealer, one of the best concealers out right now. I will have everything I'm using in the description box below if you guys want to know where I got everything from and the prices. Now what I'm doing is taking a beauty blender and just blending it out. When you're blending the product out, make sure you're doing a pat swipe motion to help it blend better. Now I'm just going back in and touching up my eyebrow on anything I messed up on or anything that got messed up while I was blending the product. So yeah, I'm just going over it a little bit If you feel like you need to go over your eyebrows again with your pencil or dip pomade, do so just to make sure everything is the way you want it. So now the first eyebrow is complete, and now we're going to move on to the second method. Same old, as we did with the last eyebrow. We are outlining it and we are filling it in. Same as last time, we are taking our spoolie and just brushing against our eyebrows, just smoothing the product that's on our eyebrows out. So I went back filling my eyebrows in more because I feel like it needed to be filled in more. So you don't really have to mind this part. This is just me going back and fixing up my eyebrow. So remember how I said we was doing a different method? So this time I'm taking another flat brush, and I'm going to put my concealer on the brush. So instead of just taking my Pro Concealer and outlining it with the concealer itself, because it already has a brush on it, I'm actually just putting the concealer on the brush. Now I'm taking a brush and just outlining my eyebrows. So it's exactly the same way as the first method that we did. We're just using an actual brush this time. And the reason why I chose to do two different methods is because I know some people use different things to do their eyebrows. Some people use a pencil rather than a brush, and some people use beauty blenders, and some people use a brush. So I just wanted to show that it can be done both ways with ever you choose to use. So now I'm just taking a small brush that people usually use to blend out their eyeshadow, but I'm just taking it and blending the product that's under my eyebrow out. And there we have it, guys. That's the full detail eyebrow tutorial. But lastly, before we go, I'm using the eyebrow tint mascara by NYX. I'm just going over my eyebrows with this just so it can stay in place all day. This is optional, you don't have to do it, but I just do this as a last step just so my eyebrows can stay nice and neat all throughout the day. So this is the end of the tutorial. Make sure you guys like the video if you guys actually like the video. If you guys followed the tutorial that I did, make sure you add me on Instagram and just show me that you guys did it. Comment below if you like this so I can know if you guys like these type of videos. I'm gonna be coming out with more videos soon. So yeah, just make sure you subscribe so you can always know when I upload. And I love you guys. And stay safe and stay gorgeous as always.